Hello guys, welcome back to CodeZ Magic. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Today I'm going to be teaching a really cool trick which David Blaine performed to Jeff Bezos, and it completely blew their minds away. So I'm going to be teaching you exactly how David Blaine performed this trick, just because it's a really cool trick, and here's what's going to happen. So basically David Blaine has a pack of cards, and he spreads out the cards and asks Jeff to pick any card. In this case, let's say that we choose any card, that is the Eight of Spades. Jeff can actually choose any card. So we have the Eight of Spades, and essentially here's what's going to happen. I'm going to take the Ace of Spades. He's going to put it right there in the almost in the center of the deck, just like that, and it's going to jump right to the top of the deck. And I'm going to take the Eight of Spades once again, place it somewhere around the center of the deck, just like that, and it's going to jump right back up. So essentially this is the exact same thing what David Blaine performed, and here's how it's going to work. So basically it's very similar to the ambitious card routine. It is pretty much the ambitious card routine, to be honest, and all David Blaine does here is a move known as the Marlowe tilt. Now if you don't know what a Marlowe tilt is basically a move by which you can actually control the card second from the top. It looks like you're as if you're putting the card into the center of the deck, but it's actually second from the top. Now I'm going to make an in-depth video of the Marlowe tilt in the future, but I'm going to give you a small glimpse of what David Blaine actually did. So any card could be selected, and in this case, let's say we have the 10 of clubs, and what you're going to essentially do is get a pinky break on the top card, just like this, okay, and then you're going to cut the card with the help of your thumb from the front and show as if you're putting the card into the center of the deck, but in reality you're just putting the card under the top card. So the card looks like it's as if it's going right in the center of the deck, and you're going to square it up, and your card is actually second from the top. Okay, so since it's in the second from the top, you say the card's completely lost in the deck, and then you're going to perform a double lift, and it's going to be right on top of the deck. Now since it's a double lift, you can repeat this one more time, and so you're going to turn it over and take the top card, which is some random card, put it inside, and it's going to jump right back up. So it's really cool, and Jeff is completely fooled at this point, and they all pretty much seem to enjoy it. And then he repeats this a couple of times, and for the last time, I guess he gets the card in the Marlowe tilt position. He gets it in, and he says the card jumps to the top of the deck. And from this point onwards, what he does is, now the card is actually in the double lift position. Now from the double lift position, what he does is he actually bends the cards almost like this. Okay, so the card is completely bent. Now all they're seeing is their card is getting bent, so in reality I have two cards with me, okay, so because it's a double lift, and I'm going to take my card and keep it right on top of the deck, and he's going to show the obvious bent on top of the card. Now keep in mind we have two cards, and what you're going to do is basically only slide off the top card. Okay, so top card is some random card, and you're going to slide it over, and you're going to use your index finger and push it in the center of the card and make sure that the card is flat. Okay, so it appears as if this is normal and your card is over here. Okay, so that's actually some random card, and you're going to square it up, and the point you squared up the cards, again you have the bend on the top card too, which is actually your card, and when you square up the card, you're going to actually keep it right on top, and you're going to shift the pressure from your index finger to the thumb and to the index finger of your other hand, so it looks as if it's completely natural. And the moment when you want to get right on top of the deck, just release the pressure slowly, and the card's going to jump just like that to the top of the deck. So this is essentially what David Blaine did, and you can actually bend the cards a little bit more to kind of get that popping effect, as you can see, but I didn't want to ruin my cards. That's the reason I performed just like this. So essentially this is all what David Blaine did, and it's a really cool routine. I truly enjoyed it, and hopefully you all had a great time. And if you did, don't forget to smash like to the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, guys. So I'm going to see you back in another brand new video. So take care, bye bye, peace, have fun.